So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of the blade tool, or you can say the resort tool being snapping into the corners of the clips in the DaVinci Resolve. Now, how you can fix that? In order to fix it, all you need to do, like for example, if I try to cut it from here, it might snap it to the corner, and I may face some of the issues. So in order to get that fixed, all you need to do is to simply disable this snapping magnet option that's right there. Once you disable it now, you can very precisely cut at the corners of the clip of DaVinci. Like for example, if I need to cut on with this much, I can easily do that. But once if I turn on it again, I cannot cut it in the very corners because it will directly snap into the corners. So you can easily fix that issue just by clicking or just by turning snapping option off.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.